hazards and warning statements and possible warnings. Tornado watch notifications on our weather radio. Commercial radio and television tornado. Nine sources of the severe weather information to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, citizens should remain alert to rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for all hazards and possible warnings. XJ93 vanilla weather radio, commercial radio and weather service office, or internet wire with the latest severe weather information. Our regular programming and severe weather is affecting our listening area. Now looking at the weather patterns affecting the southern Great Lakes and the Ohio Valley region. Warm and humid conditions are expected today, with showers and thunderstorms developing later this afternoon and into this evening. An upper-level disturbance will lead to cooler conditions Monday into Tuesday, along with a continued chance for showers. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Elkhart County, Indiana, southeastern St. Joseph County, Indiana, northern Cadillsville County, Indiana, northeastern Marshall County, Indiana, until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:01 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Bremen, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will be near Bremen around 3:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Napanee and Walkers around 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Milford around 3:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Syracuse and New Paris around 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Southwest, Forker, Belton, Locke, Dudley, Lake of the Woods, Hastings, Benton, Waterford Mills, and Tippecanoe Lake. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for north central Indiana. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Elkhart, Cadillsville, Marshall, and St. Joseph. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Fulton County, Indiana, Cadillsville County, Indiana, southeastern Marshall County, Indiana, until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:08 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Rochester, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and dollar-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Warsaw, Rochester, Winona Lake, Mentone, Walnut, Tippecanoe, Silver Lake, Etna Green, Leesburg, Clayville, Bridget, Sydney, Monocacy, Hudson Lake, Atwood, Beaver Dam Lake, Old Kip Town, St. Anselmo, Tioga, and Beaver Dam. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for north central Indiana. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Fulton, Cadillsville, and Marshall. The wind south at 20 miles an hour, gusting to 28. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Elkhart County, Indiana, western Melville County, and northeastern Indiana, northern Cadillsville County, Indiana, western LaGrange County, and northeastern Indiana, until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:22 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Denlac to near Napanee to 8 miles northeast of Bremen, moving east at 40 miles per hour. These are destructive storms for southern Elkhart and northern Cadillsville County. Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, Radar indicated. Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Goshen, Warsaw, Napanee, Virginia, Syracuse, LaGrange, Denlock, Middlebury, Wakarusa, Milford, Topeka, North Webster, Millersburg, New Paris, Benton, Susquehanna, Etna Green, Leesburg, Cromwell, and Huntsville. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for north central and northeastern Indiana. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Elkhart, Kosciuszko, LaGrange, and Noble. Thunderstorms. Lows in the lower 60s. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a tornado warning for northern Wabash County, Indiana, east central Fulton County, Indiana, southeastern Kosciuszko County, Indiana, north central Miami County, Indiana, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:03 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Akron, or 10 miles southeast of Rochester, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include North Manchester. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a city building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send a report to the National Weather Service office in northern Indiana. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Fulton, Kosciuszko, Miami, and Wabash.
There it goes.
This watch includes the Logan, Mercer, Shelby, and Ryan, and the waters of the Erie from the islands to Vermilion, Ohio. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen to later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to our weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for West Central Ohio. Tonight, showers with thunderstorms likely this evening, then partly cloudy with a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Some thunderstorms may be severe with damaging winds, large hail, and heavy rainfall this evening. Lows in the mid-60s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of rain 100%. Here is a special weather statement for the following counties: Ohio. Strong thunderstorms with a national weather service in northern Indiana. Northeast thunderstorm warning for northeastern northeastern Indiana, northeastern DeKalb, southeastern northeastern Indiana, southeastern Branch, southeast and southwestern Michigan, southern Oakdale County and southeastern Michigan, Williams County in northwestern Ohio, western Fulton County in northwestern Ohio, until 5:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles west of Angola to Hamilton's Waterloo, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard: 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. In time, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Water damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations in Texas include Angola, Brighton, Archbold, Montpelier, Butler, Waterloo, Fremont, Exeter, West Unity, Hamilton, Pioneer, Stryker, Fayette, Reading, Eden, Holiday City, Everton and Williams County, Columbia, West Jefferson, and Ray. This includes the following highways: Interstate 61 in Indiana between mile markers 342 and 357. Interstate 80 in Indiana between mile markers 142 and 156. Interstate 80 in Ohio between mile markers 0 and 27. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northeastern Indiana, southeastern and southwestern Michigan, and northwestern Ohio. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: in Indiana, DeKalb and Steuben, and the following counties: in Michigan, Branch and Hillsdale, and the following counties: the National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Allen County and northeastern Indiana, southern Whitney County and northeastern Indiana, northern Huntington County and northeastern Indiana, until 5:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Churubusco to 6 miles southeast of Columbia City to near South Woodley, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. In time, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Fort Wayne around 4:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Lawn, Denty, Boyd, Bracken, Goldenville, Roanoke, Hill-Essex, Wallen, Hunter, and Rayburn. This includes Interstate 61 in Indiana between mile markers 300 and 314, and between mile markers 315 and 317. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for north central and northeastern Indiana. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: in Indiana, Allen, Huntington, and Woodland. Allen County in northeastern Indiana, southeastern Whitley County in northeastern Indiana, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. 5:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Fort Wayne to New Haven to 7 miles northwest of Ossian.
Dude, come on, stop. I don't want to get fucking Jack.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued at 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana, Allen, and Whitley.
Of course the sand engine didn't go off. Dude. These storms are definitely weakening. There's no doubt. They're off the air. Wood.
Source, radar indicator. Encourage minor damage to vehicles if possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Location in Kitchen, Bowling Green, Australia, North Baltimore, Western Emerald, Happy Island, Lucky, Radnor, Grand Rapids. Remember, a tornado watch. The tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northwestern Ohio. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northwestern Ohio. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Wood, Ohio. Weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for up to 12 counties in northwestern Ohio. Erie County, St. Louis County in northwestern Ohio. Northeastern Wood County in northwestern Ohio. Until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Woodville, or 9 miles east of Bowling Green, moving east at 60 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicators. In West minor damage to houses. Damage to trees and power lines. Locations and transit include.
Let's see if this will get KZZ better.
are of severe weather. The tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for north central and northwestern Ohio. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Erie, Ottawa, Sandusky, and Wood.
What is wrong with
Size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Findlay, Fostoria, North Baltimore, Macomb, Arcadia, Van Buren, Bloomdale, and Bairdstown. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for West Central Ohio. Tonight, partly cloudy. Showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms this evening, then a slight chance of showers after midnight. Some thunderstorms may be severe. Lows in the mid-60s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of rain 70%. Monday, showers with a chance of thunderstorms. Highs in the mid-70s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Chance of rain 90%. Monday night, mostly cloudy. Showers with a chance of thunderstorms in the evening, then a chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Lows in the lower 60s. West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. Chance of rain 90%. Tuesday, mostly cloudy. A chance of showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms in the morning, then a chance of showers in the afternoon. Highs in the lower 70s. West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. Tuesday night, partly cloudy.
I don't know why you failed.
Lows in the mid-50s. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. Wednesday, partly cloudy. Highs in the upper 70s. Wednesday night, partly cloudy in the evening, then clearing. Lows in the upper 50s. Thursday, partly cloudy. Highs in the lower 80s. Thursday night, partly cloudy. A chance of showers after midnight. Lows in the lower 60s. Chance of rain 30%. Friday, partly cloudy. A chance of showers. Highs in the mid-80s. Chance of rain 30%. Friday night.
Alright.
A chance of thunderstorms. Lows in the mid-60s.
You haven't gone off once today.
Partly cloudy with showers. Likely in the morning, then mostly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms. 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Van Wert,
There we go.
Spencerville, Convoy, Oroville, Ohio City, Spencerville in Allen County, Middlebury, Middle Point, Fort Jennings, Wilshire, Wren, Vandalia, Elgin,
Oh, there goes Cleveland.
Cabot, Dole, Jonestown, Shaw, and Wetzel.
Ah. Hang on.
We have interrupted our regular programming as severe weather is affecting our listening area. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast.
Hang on.
For West Central Ohio. Overnight, partly cloudy. A chance of showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms late this evening, then a chance of showers. Lows in the mid-60s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. Monday, showers with a chance of thunderstorms. Highs in the mid-70s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Chance of rain.
Yep, that's for us.
Monday night, mostly cloudy. Showers with a chance of thunderstorms in the evening, then a chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Lows in the lower 60s. West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. Chance of rain 90%. Tuesday, mostly cloudy. A chance of showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms in the morning, then a chance of showers in the afternoon. Highs in the lower 70s. West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. Tuesday night, partly cloudy. A chance of showers in the evening. Lows in the mid-50s. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. Wednesday, partly cloudy. Highs in the upper 70s. Wednesday night, partly cloudy in the evening, then clearing. Lows in the upper 50s. Thursday, partly cloudy. Highs in the lower 80s. Thursday night, partly cloudy. A chance of showers after midnight. Lows in the lower 60s. Chance of rain 30%. Friday, partly cloudy. A chance of showers.
That was unexpected.